How to schedule a pickup on FedEx. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can schedule a pickup on FedEx. To schedule a pickup with FedEx, you have some options based on your shipping needs. So for a one-time pickup, of course, the first thing to do is to open your web browser and then in the search box, click type fedex.com and then amongst the options displayed, select FedEx and you'll be brought to the FedEx page. So once you're on the FedEx web page, you'll be asked to select your location and all. Ensure you do that. And then once you're on your own page, move to the top right corner, click on sign up, chat login. Then you can, if you have an account already, you can decide to log in. But if not, ensure you open an account. And so after opening an account, in order to schedule a pick up, the next step is to ship a product. All right, and then how do you ship? Just go ahead and click on ship and you'll be taken to the next page. Now for me, I cannot really ship or start a shipping process because I'm asked to log in, and I cannot log in because I was not allowed to create an account due to my current location. But for you, once you are logged in, like I said, click on ship and then you'll be taken to the next page where you'll be asked to create your shipping label. All right, so during the process of creating your shipping label, there are certain things that you have to do. All right, like certain procedures you have to follow. So when you create your shipping label, you'll be asked to select to choose the option to schedule a one-time pickup. The option will be there displayed. So just go ahead, choose the option, choose a convenient time and date window for the pickup, and then just like that, the schedule would be made. It is that simple. All right, it is that simple. Just ensure that you create your shipping label. If you do not create the shipping label on FedEx, you would not be able to schedule your one-time pickup. But after clicking on creating shipping label or filling the other options, amongst the options that you are to fill, you are to also schedule a one-time pickup. Go ahead, schedule it, and then just like that, your package will be scheduled for a pickup. Other than the automated pickups that has been made available for you already. And then another thing is by freight pickup. If you are shipping something over 150 apps, you can schedule a less than truckload freight pickup up to 10 business days in advance. But to do that, you'd have to use FedEx Express for domestic and international freight services. This is for special cases. But if you do not want to schedule any pickup, you should also know that FedEx carries out automated pickups as well. So this is it actually. It is very simple. Ensure you try it out as soon as possible. Thank you very much.